Hello, welcome to Oz Scalemodeling, and welcome to a sort of a box opening of something I got delivered today. So here's the box. Sorry, camera's a bit close. Anyway, I've already opened the box, so let me take out what's in here. Okay, so we've got two boxes in here, two boxes in the box. All right. Okay, so in here I have. And to be honest, I have already opened this to have a look. All right. So both boxes together, there's 500 items in here, and they are all cards. Now, here in Australia, we don't do what they call shop cards in the US. These are just business cards. So they're just smaller. They're much smaller. Now, this is a business card that I had made up, and there it is there, Oz Scalemodeling, and it's got the QR code there. You scan and it takes you straight to my YouTube channel. And I was looking forward to sending these out to my subscribers. I was really looking forward to doing that. And I know because some of you already know that I was getting these and were already interested in getting some. And I thought, great, this will be good. But unfortunately, it's just not going to happen. I can't do it. And the reason is I just got off the phone to Australia Post to find out how much it would cost me to put one or two of these in an envelope and post them overseas. And they told me that they've just recently increased their prices, which doesn't surprise me because everybody has for everything. But I wasn't expecting what they'd increased them to. So let me just tell you that for me to send one of these in an envelope, which I have to buy the envelope as extra, so that would be about $1, maybe $1.20. I'm guessing. I haven't priced envelopes. Maybe I could buy them in bulk and get them much cheaper. But either way, that's not the problem. The problem is to send just one or two of these, or three or four in an envelope to the UK from Australia is $3.80 Australian. That's quite a bit. And when you add that up, that's probably going to cost me $5 to everyone I send over if I sent these over. And I just can't. I can't do that. I'd like to, but I can't. But to make things even worse is that to send these to the US, and it's the same mail, so there's economy, and that was the cheapest way. So there was no tracking on these prices. It was just in an envelope and off it goes for $3.80 to the UK. But to the USA from Australia, it would have cost me, let me just check, 14.50. $14.50 for one envelope with 1, 2, 3. Actually, it can't be more than 50 grams. I don't know what one of these weigh, but I'm sure it's not that much. But I'm sure 2 or 3 of these in an envelope to America would cost, and actually I got that wrong, it's actually $18 Australian. And of course the envelope on top of that, maybe $19. So unfortunately, my subscribers overseas, I can't send these to you. It's just ridiculous prices. I was just as shocked as anybody else to hear how much that would cost to send. Terrible. So unfortunately, yeah. Within Australia, yes, I could do that. I could send these to anyone in Australia. So if you're watching this and you're in Australia and you'd like to have one of these, and I'll give you more than one. They're just business cards. So I'll put, 3 or 4 or whatever I can up to the limit that can go into just a plain envelope. I can do that, not a problem. But yeah, I'm really sorry about that, everybody. I just unbelievable postage prices is just made that impossible. So I have 500 of these now, which is okay. I'm going to put them around different places. I'll carry them with me. I'll leave them in coffee cafes and whatever else. But unfortunately, they won't be going overseas, guys. All right. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I've got a lot of content coming out. Lots of videos coming up. I'm about to start on the Yamato, not the 1/200 scale. I'm going to do the 1/700 Tamiya one. So that'll be coming out shortly, and probably straight after the current build I'm doing. So anyway, thanks guys for watching. And again, I'm really sorry. I wish I could send these all to you overseas, but yeah, just not possible at those prices. That cost is just crazy. All right, thanks a lot, guys, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Okay, bye for now.